Hello, awesome humans. I'm Nataly Kogan, and I am so excited to be with you all on September 28th for the Nonprofit Leadership Conference. It's actually going to be my first time in Tampa, so bring me your favorite recommendations. I want them all. You know, for most of my career, I completely ignored my own emotional health, my mental health. I just didn't think it mattered. As long as I cared about my work and had a sense of purpose, I thought that was the right way. But several years ago, I suffered a really debilitating burnout, which taught me a powerful lesson. In order to truly be a force of good in the lives of others, as I know you all are, you have to make yourself and your emotional fitness your number one priority. I'm really thrilled to have some time to share with you skills and practices to break free from daily burnout so you can struggle less and thrive more and embrace your awesome humans. So I cannot wait to see you on September 28th. If you want more information about the conference, go to nlctb.org and I will see you soon. I can't wait.